You want to hit it? Ready? Hit it. Whoa. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, the cheeks on you, kid, crack me up. Look at your cheeks. Go, Gio, go. Hit it. Hit it. How about this one? Oh, he's spitting? Where you going? Going this way? You still trying to hit it? Let's see what else we got. Let's turn you this way. What's over here? I know you want to hit it. I know. Maybe in a week or so. Ready? What's this way? Gio. Hey. Hey, Munchkin. Where you at? What's over here? What's over here? Whoa. What's that? What was that? Did you do that? Or does that scare you? Does that scare you? What is that stuff? Good job. Yay, Gio. Whoa. Whoa. Your face has killed me. Ready? What's that? Oh, what about this one? Whoa. All right, I'll see you later, buddy. Love you.